Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for October 1st, 2020. Let's look at the SPY chart. Yesterday you can see that when the market opened, they push it back up, the seller come back in. After they try to fill up the gap here, they slam them down and then they close below the 50-day moving average. Today, they push it back up and then the seller come in, they try to push it down again, but the buyer, they come back up, they push it back up. Now they close above the 50-day moving average. So let's see the market be able to hold on to the smaller time frame here. As you look at the trend line here we raw seen yesterday, as long as the market still stay above this line, we still have a little bit more room to put it upside. So let's see how far they can go, and we will go from there. So if you look at the immediate SP 500, on the shorter time frame, after hour, the market is still hang tight here. As long as they still be able to hold up above the line here, the market is still push back up. Today they hit the resistance, they pull back, and then now they go sideways. So let's see if they still have more momentum to put it upside tomorrow or not. Right now, I think that the market is waiting for the stimulus packet and to see that that one will go through. If that one goes through, they can help the market to gain some momentum into the upside. And if you are a day trader, as you can see here, every day in our live trading room, I help my members to guide them to take a quick everyday daily income by trading the immediate SP 500. So when the market open today, we'll be able to guide our members to take the first trade here. They hit the resistance, we get out for 12 points. After that, they turn around and short the market to the bottom and get out. So for 32 points, the total is 40 points again. And on the ES, $30 per point per contract. So many of them will be able to make their quota for the day. And after that, they let the FOMO do whatever they want to do. So that's how we do every day in our live trading room for short-term trades to make some extra daily income. And then beside that one, we also do a stock market analysis for swing trading. So a lot of stock that we have been follow, like you see here, like a lot of electric vehicle, like a NEO, after we pinpoint the breakout. And if you have been follow me, you see that we pinpoint here, they break out, the people get in the trade, and now it's still in upside. And Tesla, it still move up to the upside, and KLA, this is not a big truck, electric vehicle, also moved back up nicely today. And if you look at a lot of stock from Dow, they also help to lift up the Dow, like CRM, okay, that's the one we have been follow last couple of days. Walmart, as you can see here, right? And then we get in here, it's still in the trade, and Boeing also leave it up for the last couple of days after we pinpoint the entry here, and then they still move up nicely. And for the technology stock like Apple, it's still doing well, and AMD is still doing well. Let's see, AMD, let's see, nicely we get in here the last week, and now it still move to the upside. And a lot of stuff that we have been show you on a weekly market forecast, like W, okay, it moves nicely today to the upside. BBBY, yesterday you can see here the market is today they jump up after a good earning, and now they are up here. And BBY, that's another good one right there, still the upside. So as you can see that a lot of topics that we analyze and help our member every day in our live trading room. So if you are our member, you'll be able to ask any question, any stock, any symbol that before you take a trade. Because sometimes by yourself, you don't know, you don't have a second idea, nobody help you out. But to join our community, everybody support each other. When they have a new idea, new concept, they bring in and share together. with the other members. So we all analyze and learn from each other, and then we can pinpoint the entry so that everybody can make profit. That's what Stock Navigator community is about. So if you are not our member yet, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And if you like what I'm doing here, please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will notify you. So you will be the first one to see where the market is heading to. Again, thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next week market forecast.